family, today. I know I look tired. I just got through cooking. And y'all seen what my grandbaby did to me today. It's all. I'm gonna get her little butt back. But anyway, I made these smothered barbecue pork chops. And there's some cabbage. You see the cabbage? You see the smothered pork chops? Piece of it. Piece of that pork chop. Look at that. Look at that. And I got my famous, beginning to love this garlic bread. I just spread the garlic spread over it and call it a day. I'm finna get it in. This cabbage. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. These mother barbecue pork chop is they on point. Got a little ginger ale. I kind of had a headache earlier. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. This was good. Look at that. Mm, mm, cabbage. Mm-hmm. So, point. I'm gonna y'all want to see how I make my food. I'm gonna get it together. Look at that. Look at that pork chop. I can pick it out. Look at that pork chop. Look at that. Look at that. Mm, mm, mm. Boy, this is delicious. Mm. Telling y'all, I go to Walmart, get that Italian loaf bread that you have to slice up, and they had the garlic spread right there. Some point. Some point. Ooh. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 And I got some bell pepper and onions in there. Got to have my bell pepper. Got to have my onions. You know, I let my pork chop smother. I let them get done. Anyway, then I cut up my cabbage. And I put my cabbage in there with it. And all the juices and stuff from the pork chop cook right into the cabbage. I season that cabbage a little bit more. When it's on top, like I shred it. And let it simmer down. I mean, this be on point. My grandma always say, Grandma, they don't look like no pork chop. Oh, this is no pork chop. Okay. Look at how she go right here. And then scraping up some more cabbage.
Yep. I like this cabbage.
Mm-hmm. You like that cabbage?
Yeah, come
I don't know. Make sure that my babies and them eat. I miss my other grandbabies too. Haven't seen them about a week and a half. Mm-hmm. Mm. Even my fat is good. Mm, mm, mm. Look at that. Mm, mm. It tastes better this way. Well, mine be a little fried. But when I fry it gives me gas. And I have my stomach kind of toe up, so I don't need to be frying. Mm. It's really good. Mm, mm, mm. This cabbage. I'm gonna start slowing down. I'm figuring this thing out, how to post. But see, the reason why I only go no more than 14 minutes, because it won't let me go past 15 minutes, then I have to cut. So I got to figure out what am I doing wrong. What am I doing? I have to figure that out. Let me get it together. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. That bone. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. That was on point. Mm. Man, boy, I tell you, I can cook. And that comes with years of practicing. You know, when you're young, when you had kids, you really don't know. I used to be scared to let my meat get dark because I was thinking it'd be burnt. Oh shoot, not bite into my chicken, I see blood. And I learned the key to it is stick it. While it's frying, when it starts to get light, it'll float to the top if you deep fry it. But practice make perfect. Man, sleep real good tonight. Hope y'all gonna sleep good tonight too. Wish y'all nothing but the best. This little old ginger ale. It's getting it taken care of. Woo! Woo! Lord have mercy. Huh? Huh? Mm-hmm. I'm a little more burp, burp, burp. Burp, 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 burp. Well, YF family, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're going to have a great night. I love you all. And you know I'll be seeing you later.